Welcome to Two-Way Direct, your #1 two-way radio dealer in the US. We not only offer all major brand products, but we do so at the lowest prices guaranteed. Today we will be talking about programming your two-way radios at Two-Way Direct. When you order two-way radios, the first question you should ask yourself is, do I need these radios to work with any existing radios? If that is the case, you will most likely need to program your new handhelds to your current radio frequencies. In the instance that you are a new customer needing your new product to work with your current fleet, you will be required to send in a reader radio. This is a fully charged, functioning two-way radio, which the service team utilizes to archive the current frequencies. Our team then uses this archive to program the new radios and send the reader radio back to the customer within a couple of days. If a customer needs to send in a current radio for programming, there are two options. 1. Send into Two-Way Direct service team. If you decide to send in your two-way radios for programming, complete the support request form on our support page, and for the case issue, select Programming. If you have a frequency file, be sure to attach that as well. Read the programming policies below the support request form. Be sure to read this section before submitting the support request form, as it possesses information on pricing based on quantity of radios. Initial programming is free for new radios purchased from Two-Way Direct. Do not send in product before receiving an RMA number. Once you submit the support request form, our service department will reach out within 1 to 2 business days with detailed instructions on how to send in your equipment. They will provide Two-Way Direct address and the ship to attention field information. We will provide an RMA number for you to write in the ship to attention field on your package. Be sure to write this both in the ship to field, but also on the box to make sure it's easier on our team to link and track your case number with your product. This also expedites the programming process when our team can access the RMA number easily. If you do not include an RMA number on your shipment, your package may get lost or will not be able to be tracked. If you would like us to match up the programming of newly purchased radios to your existing radios, you will be provided with a reader radio number on your sales order. This is a one-time process for new customers to ensure your radios are programmed perfectly. Your reader radio will be sent back to you with your order. We save your frequency information on your customer file, so the next time you need radios, we can refer to your frequency archive. Number 2. DIY programming with cables and programming software. If you decide to program your two-way radios independently, you must purchase the cables and programming software necessary to do this properly. Check out our programming playlist on YouTube to find more helpful information on the DIY programming process. For more information on Two-Way Direct's two-way radio programming options, reach out to us at 888-742-5893, and a sales rep will assist you.